Titikman na natin yung niluto ko. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Hi guys! Today magluluto ulit ako. Magluluto ako ng chicken soup. Chicken macaroni soup. So first, mag-heat tayo ng pan. First, maglagay tayo ng powder. With some shallot. About 1 teaspoon of shallot. Carrots. Cut the carrots into strips. And then chicken breast. Ano tawag nito? Yung kiniton. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog. Ang alam ko lang ay sabi ko kiniton. Pero shred. I think shred. So una, nilagyan natin butter, shallot, and then carrots, and chicken breast. After that, we will put konti, just like this, hindi lahat. So after ma-mix na natin lahat, nasutay na natin lahat, naglalagay tayo ng boiling water. I think mga ano to. Kumulo na siya guys. So maglalagay na tayo ng a pinch of salt. Pinch. Or 1/4 of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then white pepper. Tansya-tansya lang guys. So, haluin natin. And then, pakulaan natin for 3 minutes. Okay. After 3 minutes, ilalagay na natin tong macaroni. So, pinakulaan ko na to for around 5 minutes kanina. And then, hinugasan ko na siya after i-boil for 5 minutes. Lalagay na natin siya. So, hayaan natin siyang kumulo for a few minutes. And then, ilalagay na natin to evaporated milk for finale. And then now, okay na to. Ilalagay na tayo ng evaporated milk. Papakulaan naman natin siya ulit for a few minutes. So, tansya-tansya lang guys. Pero pag love niyo yung milk, you can add more. Pero may iba kasing tao na gusto nila yung mild lang. Ayaw nila yung milky. So, okay din lang naman. So, ito. Luto na to guys. So, ito na yung chicken macaroni soup. Nasarap. Grabe.